In this video, we are going to learn how to write a proposal. What is a proposal? A proposal literally means a plan or suggestion. It refers to a formal or written document put forward for consideration by others. In the ISC exam, the students are required to write a proposal for implementing a project or event and seeking its approval from the head of the institution, usually the principal of the school. A proposal must include the following things. There should be a general heading, and you have to write the general heading in accordance with the questions asked. The next topic is introduction. The next subheading is introduction. You can write a maximum of 2 sentences under the head introduction or heading. So you're not supposed to write heading and introduction together using slash. You have to write any one of them. That is, either you can write heading or introduction. The next subheading is the objectives. Objective is the aim. Objective means the aim. Why do you want to organize the program should be stated under the head objectives. The next heading is list of measures. What are the things that should be taken to organize the program should be mentioned under the heading list of measures. The last one is concluding statement. You have to write a concluding statement. If you fail to write it, you will lose marks for the proposal. Let us look at the model. See, this is the specimen for proposal writing given by your board. As a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. So you are a member of the students council and you are given the responsibility of setting up a science club. So for that you are supposed to write a proposal of about 150 words. You have to keep the word limit also in mind. 150 words is the word limit for proposal writing. You cannot write the proposal in 300 words. Marks will be reduced for that. Okay. See the answer. A general heading is given. Proposal for setting up a science club is given. This is the general heading. And see the next subheading, heading or introduction. See, as this is a specimen paper, specimen answer, they have given both the headings together using slash. But when you write the answer for the examination, you have to either write heading or introduction. Okay, see, to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. So this is how you have to write an introduction for your proposal. The next one is objectives. Objective means aim. A science club will help students overcome their phobias, that is fears, regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. See, the objectives should be written in a paragraph. You're not supposed to write the objectives in points. Keep this in mind. And a minimum of 2 points should be written. But I request all the students to write at least 4 objectives. Okay? How many objectives should be written? 4 objectives should be written. You should not forget this. 2 marks is allotted for the objectives. So if you write only 2 points and commit mistakes, marks will be reduced. That's why I'm asking you to write 4 points. The next side heading is list of measures. So list of measures should be written in points only. You are not supposed to write it in a paragraph. How many points should be written? 6 points should be written. Okay. For objectives, you have to write 4 points, but objectives should be written in the form of a paragraph. And for list of measures, you have to write 6 points. See the first point. The middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. The meeting will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Membership of the science club will be open to all students from class 6 to 12. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. The club will have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans and posters, documentaries, and so on. See, the question is about setting up a science club. So, you have spoken about the place needed for setting up the science club and about the meeting details, membership and membership fees, the president of the club, the office bearers, and so on. So, as per the question, you have to change the objectives and list of measures. So, this is just a model. You have to keep this in mind, students. Okay. So this is just a model, and as per the question, you have to think and write your own answers, but you should not change the format of the proposal. You have to have a general heading, then heading or introduction, objectives, list of measures. That is the format. And the last one is the concluding statement. List of measures carry 4 marks. How many points should be written? Minimum 6 points should be written. Okay. Then the last one is concluding statement. See the concluding statement. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. So one such concluding statement should be written in the proposal you write. And for linguistic ability, you will be awarded 2 marks. So proposal carries 10 marks. Important note. It is suggested that while writing a proposal, the students provide an apt title, a heading, that is an introduction of about 2 sentences, a minimum of 2 objectives, and a list of measures of a minimum of 4 points. The proposal should be concluded with an appropriate sentence, that is the concluding statement. 2 marks will be awarded for linguistic ability. This is the guidelines given by the board. Okay. So, here they have asked you to write 2 points for objectives and 4 points for list of measures, but I want all my students to write 4 points under the head objectives and 6 points under the head list of measures. You have to keep the format of the proposal in mind. Is it clear, students? So please take down this model answer in your English note and try to write the answer for the questions given in your Total English book. Thank you, students.